Welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at the features of the Perkins EST 2022A diagnostic software. Designed for Perkins engines and generators, this software runs on a personal computer with Microsoft Windows. By connecting to the electronic control modules through a data link, the program allows for diagnosing existing and potential issues, configuring products, and obtaining data for analysis. With Perkins EST 2022A, you can efficiently optimize the performance of your Perkins equipment. Discover all the capabilities and benefits that this program offers for the maintenance and control of your engines and generators. Join me on this journey. Let's start. Let's review electronic service windows. Now we will click on Utilities and select the License EST window to view important information about the program. Then, we'll click on Preferences and select the Modify window. And we'll discover some of the features that this section offers us. Let's click on the machine we want to review in simulator mode. In this section, we present you with an overview of the various functions and capabilities of the Perkins 2022A electronic program. With this software, you can efficiently manage and control a wide range of operations related to Perkins machinery. Whether you need to monitor performance metrics, diagnose issues, or make advanced adjustments. That's it for today's video. I hope our software presentation will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.